Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize further your Skool community. So there's this section here that we need to work on. So you can go ahead and click on Settings, and on General, that's where you will be able to upload an icon for your community. And this is important because this is basically the identity of your community. So once people look at the icon, they will know this is your community. So make sure that your icon is something easy to remember, something eye-catching, and something that actually relates to your community. All right. And then we have a cover image here, which you can upload from based on the right hand side of your community. So if I show you my paid community here, this is what we're talking about. So this is the cover, and this stays on the right hand side of your community. So what you do is that you can actually copy this size, go to Canva and create a logo and a cover image. And then the group name will be added here. You will just need to add the group description, which basically is a short description that tells people what is your community all about. So for now, I'm just going to copy the same description from my paid community. And look at how simple and short it is. Learn how to build a simple, profitable funnel. Or let me just customize this. Learn how you can turn a $7 system IO in a box into a money making machine that generates leads and sales consistently. All right, there we go. And then your custom URL. So this will be your link for your community. So if you are trying to invite someone to your community, or you want to share your community with someone, you can use this link. Unfortunately, you cannot change the URL. You cannot edit this. You will have to use this link because this is a pro feature, right? If you want to change the URL, you need to have the $99 per month pro plan. But if you're in the hobby plan, you can really customize your URL. You'll have to use what they provide you. So yeah, this will be your link. And then you can choose whether you want to make your community private or public. If you want to keep it open for everyone, anyone can join your community, then choose public. But if you want to keep your community private, which means that your community content won't be shown on the Google or other search engines, and only your members will see what's actually happening inside the group. All right. I highly recommend that you actually keep it private. That's just my personal opinion. People, if they have any questions or they want to ask you something, they can email to this email address you have here. Once you're done with the changes, once you have uploaded a cover photo and your about page is completed and you want to see or you want to view how your about page looks like for someone who wants to join your community, just click on this eye icon here, and this is how your community is going to look like for people who want to join, right? And they just click here, join group, and they'll be inside your group. Now watch the next videos to set up the pricing for your community and some other features that will help you create an amazing community that your audience are going to love.